Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Unlock the iPhone and go straight to Settings, then Battery. You do this because low power mode lives here and controls battery-saving restrictions. Once in Battery, note the battery percentage and the low power mode switch. Turning that off restores background refresh and normal performance. Make sure you have a few minutes and decent charge because re-enabling features takes a moment. If you prefer a faster route, use Control Center next. I'll cover that after this step. Now turn low power mode off. Flip the switch in Settings right arrow Battery. Once done, make sure to re-enable background app refresh and set mail to fetch or push so apps update normally. You can also disable low power mode from Control Center by tapping the battery icon. That's quicker if you use it often. If Siri is handy, say, turn off low power mode. Make sure to confirm background app refresh preferences per app, because some critical apps may stay restricted until you change them. Complete the process by verifying the battery percentage behaves normally and apps update in the background. If low power mode won't turn off, restart the phone and try again. That often clears a stuck state. Also check shortcuts automations. One of them might be re-enabling low power mode on a schedule, so disable that automation if present. Finally, make sure iOS is current. Updates fix bugs that can force battery saver behavior. If problems persist, a reset of settings can be the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.